Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use warp stabilizer in Premiere Pro. So it's actually pretty simple. First thing you will need to do is to import your clip. So click drag and drop your clip from your Finder to Premiere Pro. Then as you can see it is shaky, so I will crop where I want. So I want this part of the clip. I will copy and delete the other part. Now, in order to use warp stabilizer, you have to go over here to effects and then type warp stabilizer. As you can see, under distort, here it is. Then drag and drop it on your clip and wait while this under effect controls goes to 100%. Now this line should disappear and your clip should be stabilized. As you can see, that's exactly what happened. So we can also change these parameters. So for example, for smoothness, the percentage, or smooth motion to no motion, or also framing to stabilize crop, stabilize only, and others. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.